Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Boitumelo. I'm a beekeeper and my company name is Sefudi Farms. It's situated in Harangua and it was established in 2021. Why did I start Sefudi Farms? I started Sefudi Farms because I saw that there's a need for a healthier option when it comes to sweeteners and eating healthy things. So my company, it's a service plus products. So we offer beekeeping removals, bee removals and pollination services for farmers that are in fruit crops. And we also produce the raw honey, honey tuffies, beeswax candles. Our products are different because you get a taste of beekeeping. When you digest or eat our raw honey or our honey tuffies, you get a sense of healing. And you can get hold of me through my website, which is www.sefudifarms.co.za. You can contact me on my phone number, which is 072 1155 or on our Instagram handle, which is Bee Farming with Sefudi. Hi, my name is Boitumelo and I'm a township entrepreneur.